Amadeus, Amadeus. Stand here in front of the statue of Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart in front of the Hofburg Palace in Vienna, Austria. And most of us would agree that Mozart was kind of a genius, and it's my belief that there's genius within all of us. We just may be hiding it, and it may have been covered up by other people such that we don't even remember that it's there. But let's see if we can tap into some of that genius. So, taking full responsibility for your own well-being. Even though I may be hiding my genius, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I may be hiding my genius, I choose to love and honor myself. Even though I may be hiding my genius, and it may be so well hidden that I might even doubt that it's there. Even though I may be hiding my genius, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who contributed to this hiding of it. Because I choose to feel that free. All the ways that I hide my genius. All my reasons for hiding my genius. All this doubt that there's any genius in there. And maybe part of me says, I know I'm a genius. But maybe I'm still only scratching the surface. I choose to be open to the possibility that I might have Mozart-level genius inside. And I'm hiding it. Not because I'm bad or stupid. Not because I'm weak or lazy. But because I've been taught to hide it. And maybe it was so well covered up that I don't even know it's there. Maybe there are people in my life who convinced me that it wasn't there. They were wrong. And I love and appreciate those parts of me that have bought into that misunderstanding for so long, believing that that was necessary. And I'm clearing the fears and doubts. And if I'm already showing some of my genius, I choose to clear anything that might limit it. I choose to tap into as much genius as possible for the highest good of all concerned. Because the world could use a few more geniuses right now. Sharing their brilliance. I have gifts and talents inside that can make a positive difference in the world. Even at genius levels. And I'm setting myself free to share that. In body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, go inside. And just let that rattle around inside. Notice whatever you might be noticing. And you can open your eyes again. And hopefully you might feel a little bit more inspired, a little bit more open to the idea that there's more genius in there than you know. And hopefully a greater willingness to share that with the rest of us. Please and thank you. And when there's other stuff that gets in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.